Hey guys, just got a set of Wiley X Valor Eyepro and wanted to do a quick unboxing. This is the Eyepro that I wore when I was in Afghanistan and I love it. So I bought another set that I'm going to set up for just the straight lens, the clear lenses. So I don't have to keep tearing apart the one that I have and putting wear and tear on the different lenses. This way I can just switch the whole frame instead. So pop it open. It's a different bag than what I'm used to. So we just have the instructions on how to switch the lenses. Set that aside. Alright, so we have a canvas case with the Velcro loops on the back and on the zipper tag, which I think is just kind of weird. Just on a key ring, you can attach it to things. I've seen other ones where they've sewn this on the back, so the fact that it's just through the loop on the zipper is kind of weird, but whatever. Let's get into the good stuff. Alright. Oh, what is this? Instructions for use of Wiley F safety spectacles. I think we know how to wear safety glasses, so we're just going to set that aside. Alright, we got a retention strap. You can put it on the ends of the frames and put it on your head. Soft cloth for cleaning. Alright, we have the frames themselves. Right now they've got the smoke lenses on them, which most people would probably use them as shades. My other set is set up for shade use, but where I work I have to have Eyepro all the time, so I'm going to get another set with the clear lenses, which are right here in these little pockets in the case. Take them out of these little bags here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and follow the instructions here. I'm gonna replace these lenses with the clear lenses so that I'm set up for work and I can just use these. Cool thing is now if my other set that I wore back in Afghanistan breaks, I've got a backup set. So you just kind of pull from the middle. And you're going to put your corner in first. And then snap in. Oh, corner didn't get in all the way. There we go. Alright, there's one lens. Okay, it is now set up with clear lenses. That didn't take long at all. But I'm lazy. I don't want to have to do it every time I want to switch, so I got a second set. I highly recommend these. They are very comfortable to wear, even under a cover or like a baseball cap. So there you go. It's the Wiley X Valor sunglasses or safety glasses, and these are APEL approved. So for you military people, make sure you pick up a set. All right, have a good day, guys.